Ito napaka-importante, no? For those na may cancers, no? Kaya ito, elixir placenta is very much recommended for patients who have cancer, no? Who are undergoing cancer. So, tatlo po ito prevention, treatment, post. Ano yung prevention? Mag-take ka ng elixir placenta to prevent cancer. Okay? It does. There is proof, there is evidence that it prevents cancer. May cancer ho ako, Doc. Kailangan ko ba ito? Yes, because it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Well, antioxidant, it strengthens your immune system para labanan yung cancer. Para imbis na mag-progress ka into a higher stage, mas grabe na stage, from stage 1, naging stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, doon ka lang sa stage 1 na madaling magamot, no? Okay. And imbis na mabilis pumunta doon sa ibang higher stages, kung hindi man mabagal, mas nagtatagal ka. Maaabutan mo pa ang iPhone 15, iPhone 16. No? Biro lang ho. Pero it lengthens your, or even controls the progress of your cancer. So, preventive at during the cancer itself and post. Ano ibig sabihin ng post-cancer? May cancer ka na. Inopera ka na. Okay? So, you need to improve or increase your immune system because you are taking chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, kailangan para maging effective, magandang immune system mo. Kung bagsak ang immune system mo dahil nagki-chemotherapy ka. Kasi chemotherapy also kills normal cells, di ba? So, kung mamamatay ang normal cells, hindi ka mabibigyan ng chemotherapy. Hindi ka mag-i-improve. So, you have to build up your immune system, your normal cells, bago ka mag-chemotherapy. The same thing with cobalt, X-ray therapy. Breast, kino-cobalt yun. Okay? Or, mayroon kang rectal cancer sa puwet, no? Kino-cobalt yun. Therapy, X-ray. Teka, hindi ka pwede mag-cobalt ngayon dahil bagsak ang iyong immune system, no? Hindi kaya ng katawan mo. Pagka kinobalt ka, X-ray ka ngayon, mamamatay ka, mapapabilis. Pero pag hindi ka naman kinobalt, lalago ang cancer mo, no? Mag-i-increase. Di ba? So, ito yung function ng elixir placenta. It will give you enough benefits, no? To hindi ka magkakaroon ng bagsak na immune system, you will not have radiation illness. Kanya ang mangyayari, pag next dose mo ng chemotherapy or radiation therapy, rather, no, pwede ka mag-undergo noon para makontrol ang cancer mo because you are taking this, elixir placenta, it gives you the advantage, the edge, no, against radiation illness, no? So itong kagandahan ng elixir placenta.